Hello and welcome. This is the end of the 16th day of May 2019, at least on a literal level. It's 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And while I'm waiting for a Litecoin deposit to go into Binance to make a couple ratio trades, I thought I'd make this video. Well, it's just interesting what's going on here. The 4 hour term. I meant to go daily term to start it, but price action came. I did say, and whatever happens, happens. I don't care. I did say I like the mathematical chances that it would hit over 9,800 and whatever the line I have here before breaking below this one. It's technically stayed above. It has most certainly made a move into the correctionary phase and starting to really relieve it, or it's exiting back out of it. Amongst such, again, the 4 hour started off within this. You can see just a huge decline. Single hour term time frame, it started in the previous hour on the 10 p.m. 22 hour, continuing on within this move in here, 15-minute term. I mean, just a quick fall. This is a move going from 7,700 down to 65 or 6,600, like 15%, like that fast. Five, like this is over a cup of coffee kind of deal. Although you're drinking coffee, this I guess depends what time you are. I mean, in the Europe, yeah, definitely over coffee then. But you start this 5 minute period off at 7680. I'm gonna get my volume back because I hit it before. You go from 7650 down to like 6598 in like no time at all. It's rebounded really quickly. So now the big question is, do we go to this low next? Do we go to the previous high in here? How is this correctionary move going to work out? What was the reason for this big sale? Was this just some a group or big person just putting in a big sell in? And well, buyers have obviously came into play. Consensus point, they lifted the market up high and well, now up to this level. So we'll just wait and see how this goes into play because for now, at least for the rest of the night, my wait is to wait for the confirmations to go through on Litecoin and buy me two other coins. Let's take a look at the two coins I'll be buying. As we can see in here, Litecoin is up to 123. I mean, it's not up much, and it's just having its recent move now. And maybe by the time the coins get there, the ratio trades might not be great. I might have to wait or deposit those funds back to my wallet. Good thing Litecoin is cheap to send anyway. Although not the cheapest, it's about $1 or 10 cents. What is it? 10 cents to send it off the exchange. Not much. And cheaper than that to send it to it. Less than a penny. Anyway, so the coins that are up right now. Litecoin against Ethereum, Litecoin against Bitcoin. AID is up to 885, but whatever on that. Not counting this, although this is up 1% against that. That's supposed to be like a break even. Yeah, what's going on here? It's definitely worth looking at. Do we have another Bitfinex situation happening? I want to check that out next. Okay, 73, 73, 73. All the prices are right. So, but there's stuff going on within the tether, obviously, if this is happening again. Okay, let's take a look at these losers. DGB. Bitcoin down to. It just. Yeah, Bitcoin is a big loser down to 77.7%. It was down more. Vericoin down to 55. DGB 163. Komodo is one of the coins I'm going to be buying. Selling Litecoin for Komodo. And GRS is the other one. So when they arrive, I'm going to buy some Komodo, send it to my Komodo wallet, buy some GRS, and then send that to my GRS wallet. And for the first time, I sent some funds onto a Theta wallet. But it's interesting because it says in order for me to, okay, I only send 100 Theta, just as a test run only. And I sent 100 of them to the wallet that you can get on the internet. Got my whole private keys, things, and all that taken care of. And when it arrived there, it says that my transaction fee to send out the theta is like 0.00, a whole bunch of T fuels, the theta fuels, which are like whatever. I got thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of them for free. But the withdrawals were suspended, so I couldn't send any of the theta fuel. So I don't know if you need to have theta fuel to withdraw theta. Could you imagine having like say, okay, I got like 50,000, I don't know, U.S. dollars, and I want to send you that $50,000, but in order to send it, you got to pay a transaction fee. And that transaction fee is something totally different and totally small, like a box of toothpaste. I don't got a box of toothpaste. Well, then you can't send me the money. You can't transfer it to me. We can't make a trade because you can't send Blockchain Explorers a box of toothpaste. I don't know. But when I went on it, that's what I seen. Actually, I can even show you a little bit how that wallet works. So this is where it is. You need to put your key store file, and I'll be doing that right now, but I'm going to pause the tape as I do it. Okay, then I got to put my password in, and again I'll pause it and then enter the password in. And I'll click the unlock wallet button. So, 6 hours ago, there we are. There's the 100 theta that I put in. 100, nice and firm. But if I go to send, if the transaction fee is zero point 0, all those ones T fuel, and that's like nothing of a fee. And once I get my T fuel there, that's no problem whatsoever. I just find that to be very, very, very weird. So, anyway, that is the Theta wallet. And that'll be the video because I'm done mentioning what I want to talk about. I'll be back again in the morning because after I'm doing this, let me just check my deposits to see if they're even done. And they were 7 minutes ago, so I'm going to shut this off. When I complete this video, I'm going to make 2 Litecoin sales. One Komodo buy, one buy on GRS, 2 sending off the exchanges, and then off to bed. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.